Hi friends. A while ago, like as in 2019, I started this reading album. I'm using covers from Colorcast Design, and I was using a book kit from Coco Daisy when I started. And this is one of my goals this year, is to catch up on past projects. And it's really important for me to record my reading because I have books, I have electronic books, I have audio books, I have Kindle books. I have a lot of books, and I want to make sure that I'm not reading something I've already read, which, over the years, sometimes you forget some of the things that you've read. And so many of the old books are coming back in different formats. And so I want to have something that's really a handy reference for me to look at, that is documenting the books I read. And so 2019, I didn't read too many, but 2020, I really started listening to audiobooks, and I'll get into that a little later. I'm going to be doing 2021 a little differently, but I'm catching up on my 2019 and 2020 books. And so I just wanted to show you a little bit about how far I've come. So this is, like I said, covers from Colorcast Design, and I think I've posted this before, but this is, I finally was able to create sort of my opening, what is this and why am I doing it kind of conversation. And here I used stuff from Feature Craft to create this layout. And then this one is also got some things from Feature Craft and some stamps from lots of other different companies as well. And this is about the only entertainment sort of book that I read in 2019, and it was not something I would recommend, and so I wanted to document it though because it was my first one, and it kind of helped me get started again. And then this is a layout I did for Coco Daisy about the fact that I was really struggling to find my love of reading again after finishing my master's degree. And then this was one I did of a story of Teddy Ruxpin, which was my son's favorite storytelling device growing up besides Mom. And then this is my favorite book of 2019, which I found out about through Simple Scrapper. This was one of the books that was suggested for a 2020 book club. And when I saw the suggestions, which were in 2019, I got the book, and I love this book. It really helped me out a lot. And if 2020 had turned out different, I think that I would really be well along on my 5-year plan, but I'm going to have to start over, and that's okay. Here, again, I used some Feature Craft stamps and cards and puffy stickers. And then I decided, I wanted to do something a little different. And I didn't just talk about this book. I included all my notes for my 5-year plan. My plan and my notes and everything. I put them in here so that I could have them as a reference. So that's kind of where I am at this point. Still more to come, but I just thought I'd show you what I'm doing. Thanks, and I hope you're having a great weekend. Take care.